Hello everyone, welcome to Tyson Basics Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson and let's get straight into it. This week on Tech Tuesdays, I'm doing a review of the JBL 560 BT headphones that I unboxed in a previous video. Thank you so much for waiting patiently for this video. I know it came late, but 8 months later, this is what I think about this pair of headphones. Let's start with the build quality. The build quality on these headphones is okay, but they're not designed for running. Similar to the JBL 510, which I'm going to do a comparison between these two pair of headphones. This pair of headphones also is not designed for running. If you use them for exercising, if you use them when you go out for a run, you'll find that these cups will get wet very fast and you won't be able to dry them. It's unbearable. Don't do it. Don't do it. Use them for the office, use them when you're chilling at the house, use them at the airport, use them in the plane, but don't use them for exercising. Don't use them for anything that needs you to be active. So if you're going to be sitting, if you're going to be walking, if you're not going to be sweating, use this pair of headphones. These are not ports. These are not charging ports. I know someone asked about these holes on the cups. These are bass ducts. They just work the same way that your subwoofer has a big hole on it to just, So these use micro USB. They don't have USB Type-C. They're using micro USB. So in as far as ports are concerned, you only get the charging port and that is it. No cables, no audio jack. It says on the box, 0 cables, so you're not going to find that. Let's move to the battery. Since you're not getting an audio cable, how good is the battery? The battery is 16 hours. I've tested the battery and it is plus or minus 16 hours. 16 hours is still okay. You can travel, you can do whatever you want and put them back on charger. You're going to charge this more often than not. So given that you don't have the audio cable, that doesn't help. So the downside for me is the battery life of 16 hours and 0 cables. I don't think it goes hand in hand. I think they should have made the battery life a bit longer. But anyways, that's what you have on the JBL 560 BT. Quickly moving to the sound. They don't have an amazing bass, but the bass is okay. The bass is there, but it's not good. So the sound quality is generally okay, good separation, but you don't reach the high volumes that you're looking for, especially when you just want that loud sound. You're listening to rock music, you're listening to rap music, you feel like you just need more volume that you cannot reach. So that is one downside that I want you to take note of if you're going to make this purchase. The sound doesn't get too loud, it doesn't get very loud that you just want to put it down. It gets to a good level. I don't know if this is a requirement for headphones to not get too loud, but these get loud but not very loud. I mean, I find myself trying to pull up the volume, but I just find out that I've reached the max, and the max is not really max. So keep that in mind if you're going to make this purchase. They don't have noise cancelling. Unfortunately, these headphones do not come with the noise cancelling. For some reason, they are just headphones. BT headphones, wireless, 0 cables. If you wear these headphones for over an hour or two, they get uncomfortable. So I do a lot of art. If you've seen some of my videos, I do a lot of art, and if I'm drawing for about 2-3 hours, I wear these headphones and they start to feel a bit uncomfortable. Yeah, it's unbearable actually. I mean, let me be honest, it's an unbearable pain that you don't want to go through. So if you're going to be using these for long hours, I would recommend that you get a different pair of headphones. No, these ones, they just... Let's talk about the mic for a little bit. The mic is not good. I've tried to use them on a Skype meeting. I find myself having to remove them and using a different pair of headphones, specifically because the mic is not as good as the sound. If you're someone who's going to have a lot of online meetings, and if you're going to be online gaming, don't get this pair of headphones. The mic is not good. But don't take my word for it. I'm going to do a test where I do, for the people that have watched my videos, I do a mic test where I test the mic on these headphones and compare them to something that you can relate to, which is an iPhone 7. Let's do the mic test.
This is an audio recording recorded using the inbuilt microphone on an iPhone 7. This is an audio recording recorded using the inbuilt microphone on the JBL 560 BT pair of headphones.
So as you could hear from the mic test, the mic is not that good, and the person on the other end of the line is able to pick that you're using a device that is a bit distorted. So if you're going to do a lot of calls, if you're going to pick up a lot of calls with this pair of headphones, they can do the work, but the quality is not that good. So keep that in mind. The sound quality on the mic is not the best. So we've spoken about the design, we've spoken about the sound, we've spoken about the mic, and we've spoken about the ports. Price.
So the JBL Tune 560 pair of headphones is going for plus or minus $60 US.
So when I do an unboxing, usually it comes with a lot of questions in the comment section. So what I do is when I do the review, I'll then give you short answers to some of those questions. So that will help you. So if you're interested in watching that section, you can go ahead and watch it. But if you're not going to watch the comment section, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.
Welcome to the segment that I like to call the comment section. Let's get right into the comment section. This one says, I'm so confused with Tune Wireless 500 BT and Tune Wireless 560 BT. Which one do you recommend? My answer is I'd recommend the Tune 500 BT headphones. Michael says, hey Tyson, I'm looking for your review on the 510 and 560, but I can't find it. Which one is better? My answer is, in as far as the build quality is concerned, the 510 and the 560 are almost the same, but I'd go for the 510 for the reason that they come with the USB Type-C and the sound quality is better than the 560, and so is the battery life. Draco, hey, I'm so confused. With 560 and 510 BT, what do you recommend? 510 all the way. Andre says, you don't really have a port for Tyson Biswick. What is the meaning of the second input next to the charger? That, my friend, is a base duct, and I hope you've been answered while watching this video. The next one says, love these videos. Thank you so much, chug my milk.